seriously, look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super fun and super exciting unboxing from ESDOMERA Jewelers. I'm seriously so beyond excited and so grateful to be doing this video. They reached out to me via email about a month ago and I got to pick out a ring off their website, which is just so exciting. It was so hard to pick a ring because there's so many cute choices on their website. A really cool thing about them is they're all moissanite gems, which is a lab created stone that's like a nice alternative to a diamond because they're 1/10 of the price. But first, before I get started in this unboxing and share with you guys what I picked out, we are going to do the notifications for this video. So if you're new to my channel, you should definitely hit the subscribe button down below along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time I upload. For the month of May, I'm doing daily videos and it's seriously so much fun, so you don't want to miss out. But in those daily videos, I'm doing post notification shoutouts along with comment of the day shoutouts. All the details on how to enter to get a shout out on my channel are in the description box, so be sure to check it out. So the post notification goes out to Passion for Fashion. This video was amazing. Hashtag notification squad. Thank you so much for turning my post notifications on, subscribing to my channel, and leaving such a sweet comment. I'm so happy you enjoyed that video. And the comment of the day goes out to Maria, and it says hair goals. Thank you so much. You know, with the whole quarantine, we had to kind of do a nice at-home hair tutorial, but you know, thank goodness for YouTube. Those are today's shout outs. Be sure to check out the description box to figure out how you can get a shout out. And thank you so much for subscribing and leaving such sweet comments on my video. I seriously love you guys so much and you mean the world to me. But we're gonna get into this little unboxing. I'm seriously so excited. So it just came in this beautiful packaging, which is like a nice blue and gold bag, but it's also like a box, so I was a little confused, but I really like it. And this is from ESDOMERA Jewelers. I will have it linked down below along with the exact ring that I picked out because I think you guys might be interested in it. So opening it up, you just slide it out like this, and the packaging is just absolutely stunning, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge gingham fan. And the inside is pink gingham, so it was just kind of meant to be. If you know me, if you've been following me for a while, pink is my absolute favorite color, so I was freaking out. And then it just comes in a little package like this. So this is the ring, and then this is like a little card, and then this is a jewelry bag. So the jewelry bag is just a nice little felt jewelry bag that has ESDOMERA on it, and these are nice if you're traveling and bringing your stuff with you, but also just to keep your jewelry in here so it doesn't tarnish or anything. So this is just a little bonus that they include it. Then it comes with this little envelope, and it has a card in here which has a lifetime warranty in here. This is a really nice cardstock. It kind of feels like a credit card material. It's just the certification of it and a lifetime warranty, like I mentioned. They also have a 30-day money back warranty in case you guys are unhappy with your ring or just don't like it, or for whatever reason, if it's just not meant to be, they offer that, which is awesome. It just makes them even more trustworthy as an online jeweler, in my opinion. So that's great. And then what you guys all really want to see, the ring, my favorite part. So it just comes in this little black box, and you open it up, and then you gotta keep opening it. And it has a really nice like ring box on here with the ESDOMERA Jewelers name on here. And guys, seriously, look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, like I'm freaking out, like oh my gosh. Like I'm just stunned. It's so beautiful. So this is a moissanite gem, and there's 5 little moissanite gems on here. And a moissanite gem is a lab created stone, which is an alternative to a diamond, and it's more environmental friendly and affordable, and it is conflict free and just as durable as a diamond. And most importantly, it's almost in perfect clarity and brilliance for an amazing price. I think this one is pretty affordable. It's under $300, which I think is a huge game changer. And I also have a discount code for you guys in case you're interested. I will put it on the screen. It's just YT Kelly, and you can get 10% off your first purchase off their site. But I think it's just absolutely beautiful, you guys. I feel like if this was real diamonds, it would be so expensive, which is a beautiful thing because they're so affordable, but it looks just like it is real diamonds, but they're not. And personally, I would love to spend less on this because I'm one of those people that I lose rings and I lose earrings and everything. So I think this is beautiful because then you're not as heartbroken as if you lose it, because you're like, okay, it's affordable, it's okay, it's like replaceable and everything. So I seriously love this. I will have the exact details that I got because it's a nice gold band. I got this in the color DEFVVS1. and it's just seriously so pretty, you guys. I'm so excited to be styling this, to be wearing it, just to kind of like freshen up my ring look and everything. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this ring, and if you want to check out their website, I will have it all linked down below in the description box for you guys. A huge shout out to ESDOMERA for sending this to me. It's absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to share it with all my friends and family and along with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description box for all the details on everything from what I'm wearing to my horoscope sign. Like, everything's in the description box. Be sure to check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like my ring and think it's really cute, because I personally think it's adorable. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!